So hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today we'll be solving the daily lead code question, which is 3217 delete node from linked list present in array. So you are given an array of integer nums and the head of linked list. Return the head of the modified linked list after removing all nodes from the linked list have a value that exists in nums. Okay, so we can check an example. Like the first example says we have given inputs nums 1 2 3 and we have given head 1 2 3 4 5. So we will be checking like whether the nums array elements are present in head or not. Head is basically a linked list. Okay, so like 1 2 3 is present in this linked list 1 2 3. So we will remove this 1 2 3 and we will return the linked list 4 5. So this way we will be getting the output. So we can check this example. What it says, we have given nums 1 2 3 and we have given head. Okay, we have given head 1 2 3, head 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now this is the linked list 1 2 3 4 5 and the head is initially pointing here. So we have head initially pointing here and current is initially pointing here, and this is basically how we gonna approach the solution. We can check like how we gonna proceed this. So let's suppose there is not one, there is just two and three. Okay, so now this is head, this is we have current. Now what we gonna do, we have, let's suppose, yeah, we have current ka next, we will be like, we will check the next value. Okay, so we will check next value too, and we will be checking, let's suppose we have put this nums array element in another set or just set. Okay, so we will be checking whether 2 is present there or not. If it is present, so what we are gonna do, we will be doing like current next equal to current next, well, next to next. It means that this is gonna skip this part. This part will be pointing here to 3. So this way we can skip this and we can delete this, we can remove this, and we will be printing the whole linked list. And head, yeah, we'll be printing the, we will be returning the head. So like, see, this is one of the approach. So the first approach I'm gonna use here is like, this is completely naive approach, like brute force approach. So how we gonna do it? Like, this is we have set this is we have main function modified list and passing nums array and passing head of the pointer of linked list. Now we have initialized set as st, and let's suppose we have put it 1 2 and 3 in the set. And now what we gonna do, this we have like, we are at, okay, so in this solution we are gonna like, we have 1 2 3 in set, and let's suppose we have 1 2 3 4 and we have 5 in, we have in linked list. So what we gonna do, we gonna check from the set like one is present there or not. If there is present, so we are gonna skip it. So how we gonna proceed it? So this is like, this is a for loop. We are inserting the values of nums array in set data structure, storing there, and initially we are initializing dummy list node pointer, new list node, which is initially we have -1. Okay, this. So now dummy next is pointing to head. So head is basically we have the whole linked list 1 2 3 4 5. So this is pointing to this linked list, and we also initializing new dummy. Why we are doing new dummy? Because we will be iterating dummy, and like, if we iterate dummy, the position of dummy will be changed. So we need to return a pointer which points to the first node. So we have basically initialized new dummy. We will be not touching this. At the end we will be returning this, the new dummy. Okay, so we will be iterating. So this part is one of the most important part, while we'll checking while dummy next is not equal to null pointer. Okay, so it will iterate till the end of linked list. Okay, now we will be finding in set. Okay, first we have taken the value of t equal to dummy next value. Okay, dummy next value basically like 1 is dummy next value. So we will be checking if we can find this value of 1 in this set data structure. So like, if st dot find t not equal to st dot end, so this is basically, we are just checking like if it is present. So it is present. So now what we are gonna do, we make a list node star pointer of new node, which is equal to dummy next. Then what we gonna do, we gonna do dummy next equal to new node next. So we are just bypassing the value of 1. So this way we can like skip this, and we will be continuing. So like, it will be checking for next. This way we will doing this, and at the end we will be like doing dummy equal to dummy next. and at the end we will be returning new dummy next. So new dummy is initially pointing this, so new dummy next, the whole linked list will be returned. So this way the first solution will be gone. Now we have the second solution. How we gonna proceed the second solution? We have like, okay, so there are two things in second solutions. We have like modified linked list, and we are passing nums, and we have had. So we have used here an order set st begin nums comma st dot and nums. This way we can like put all nums element in an order set, and we are checking while head not equal to null and st dot find. We are finding the head value not equal to st dot till end. So this form is just for removing the node from the beginning if they exist in the set. So like if we have set 1 2 3 and we have linked list like 1 2 3, so one is present in the first node. So this whole logic is for this element. Like initially we have like head is pointing here. Now what we gonna do? So we are basically declare a temp variable which is list node type of pointer, and which is equal to head, and head equal to head next. Then we are deleting temp. So basically what we are doing, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Now here head is present here, and temp is also present here. Head is pointing to next element. Now just temp is here, we are deleting temp. Now head is here, so the linked list start from here. So this is the logic we are using. Now for this logic, what we this part is for traversing the rest of the element. So initially we have initialized current type of pointer of list node, which is initially head. Yeah, so why we are doing this again? So we have to return a head. So head should not move from the linked list. We will be working on current node. So current not equal to null, current next not equal to null. So this is the iteration, and we are finding in set data structure. So find current next value not equal to st dot and checking we are declaring temp variable. So again this part is just bypassing the value and deleting the temp node. So this time we are working on the same linked list, and else we are just doing current equal to current next. So at the end we will be returning head. So this way we will be solving this question.